Your brain has 86 billion neurons, and each one can create up to 10,000 connections. That means you have more possible connections in your brain than atoms in the observable universe. And you know what that means? You literally have infinite power to create any reality you want, including financial prosperity. But here's the problem. Most people are using this 3-pound supercomputer to run poverty programs. It's like having the latest iPhone and only using it to make calls. In this video, I'm gonna show you exactly what neuroscience has discovered about prosperity and how you can hack your own brain to attract money. And this isn't empty talk, it's pure science. Let's go. Let's start with the basics. How does the brain create your financial reality? There's a structure in your brain called the reticular activating system, the famous RAS. This structure works like a reality filter. It decides what you see and what you ignore in the world around you. And here's the fascinating part. The RAS doesn't filter based on what's real, it filters based on what you believe is important. When you decide to buy a specific car and suddenly you start seeing that car everywhere, not a coincidence. It's the RAS working. It was always there, but you didn't see it because it wasn't important to you. Now imagine this applied to money. If your RAS is programmed to look for scarcity, financial problems, and difficulties, that's what you're going to see all the time. But if you reprogram it to look for opportunities, possibilities, and abundance, your reality completely changes. And how do you reprogram the RAS? With something neuroscientists call directed attention. You literally train your brain to focus on what you want, not what you're afraid of. Every day, you're going to spend a few minutes intentionally focusing on evidence of prosperity in your life. Can be anything. You got a roof over your head? Prosperity. Got food in the fridge? Prosperity. Got clean water? Prosperity. Your RAS starts looking for more of that. Now let's talk about neuroplasticity, which is the brain's ability to reorganize itself by creating new neural connections. For a long time, scientists thought the brain was fixed after childhood, but they discovered that's a lie. Your brain physically changes based on your repeated thoughts and actions. Every thought creates a neural connection. When you repeat the thought, the connection gets stronger. It's like clearing a trail through the woods. The first time is hard, but the more you walk it, the easier it gets. So if you've spent years thinking, I'll never have money, I'm terrible with finances, rich people are dishonest, you've created neural superhighways of poverty. But the good news? You can create superhighways of prosperity. How? Intentional repetition. You start thinking, speaking, and acting according to the prosperity you want, and your brain literally rebuilds the connections. There's a fascinating study from the University of California that showed when you visualize an action, the same brain areas light up as if you were actually doing that action. This is revolutionary. It means you can train your brain for prosperity without even having money yet. You visualize, feel the emotions, and your brain doesn't know the difference between imagination and reality. And if you're digging this real scientific content, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe to the channel, because there's a lot more fire coming. Let's talk now about the prefrontal cortex, which is the part of the brain responsible for planning, decision-making, and impulse control. Financially successful people have a very active prefrontal cortex. Why? Because this area allows you to think long-term, resist immediate gratification, and make strategic decisions. The problem is that when you're in constant stress because of money, the prefrontal cortex literally shuts down. Who takes command? The amygdala, which is the fear center of the brain. And the amygdala only knows one thing: survive now. It doesn't think about investing, building wealth, strategy. It thinks about solving the immediate crisis. That's why poor people often make bad decisions with money. It's not stupidity, it's biology. The brain in survival mode can't think about prosperity. So the first thing you need to do is get out of survival mode. How? By regulating your nervous system. Deep breathing, meditation, physical exercise, adequate sleep. Seems basic, but it's fundamental. You can't prosper with your brain in panic mode. There's also the dopamine issue, the neurotransmitter of motivation and reward. Your brain releases dopamine when you experience or anticipate something pleasurable. And here's the trick. You can train your brain to release dopamine when you think about prosperity actions. How? By celebrating small financial victories. Managed to save $50? Celebrate. Got a payment? Celebrate. Avoided an impulse buy. Celebrate. Every time you celebrate, you're creating a neural association between positive financial action and pleasure. Your brain will want to repeat those actions because they generate dopamine. Let's talk about something revolutionary. Mirror neurons. Scientists discovered we have special neurons that fire both when we do an action and when we see someone else doing the same action. That's why you yawn when you see someone yawning. And that's why you absorb the behaviors of people you hang out with. If you spend time with people who complain about money, who have a scarcity mindset, who see opportunity as threat, your mirror neurons are replicating those patterns. You're literally becoming like them neurologically. But it works the opposite way too. If you hang out with prosperous people, read entrepreneur biographies, watch videos of successful people, your mirror neurons start replicating those patterns. It's not about becoming stuck up. It's about neural reprogramming. You are the average of the 5 people you spend the most time with, and that's not a metaphor. It's neuroscience. Now let's talk about brain waves. Your brain operates at different frequencies depending on your mental state. Beta is when you're alert and focused. Alpha is light relaxation. Theta is the state between awake and asleep. Delta is deep sleep. And there's a special state called gamma, which is associated with insight, creativity, and learning. People who meditate regularly produce more gamma waves. And you know what else? Studies show that successful entrepreneurs have different brainwave patterns than average people. They spend more time in alpha and gamma, which are states conducive to creativity and problem solving. You can train your brain to enter these states. Mindfulness meditation is the most studied form. Just 10 minutes a day already shows measurable brain changes in 8 weeks. You literally rebuild your brain to process information more efficiently and creatively. And since you're here with me, learning real neuroscience, go ahead and drop that, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications. Let's talk about memory and prosperity. You have 2 main types of memory: explicit, which is conscious, and implicit, which is unconscious. Your implicit memories about money were formed in childhood, watching how your parents dealt with finances, hearing phrases about money, experiencing abundance or scarcity. These implicit memories run automatically in your brain without you even noticing, and they command your financial decisions. If you grew up seeing your parents stressed about money, your brain created a neural association. Money equals stress. Every time you think about money, that emotion is automatically activated. But you can reconsolidate memories. It's a process called memory reconsolidation. Every time you access a memory, it becomes temporarily malleable. If at that moment you add new information or emotions, the memory is re-recorded modified. It's like editing a file. So you can take those negative memories about money, access them consciously, and add new meanings and emotions. With repetition, you literally rewrite your emotional history with money. There's also the concept of neural priming. Priming is when prior exposure to a stimulus influences the response to a subsequent stimulus. For example, if you read the word yellow and then I show you a list of fruits, you'll think of banana faster. You can use priming for prosperity. In the morning, before you start your day, you intentionally expose yourself to abundance content. Read affirmations, visualize prosperity, listen to motivational audio about wealth. You're priming your brain. The rest of the day, it's going to seek and interpret information through that abundance filter. Let's talk about something super important: the insula, a brain region involved in body awareness and emotional processing. The insula becomes hyperactive when you feel guilt, shame, or discomfort. Many people have a hyperactive insula in relation to money. They feel guilty about earning, ashamed of wanting more, uncomfortable with abundance. This is the result of social and family programming. The solution? Gradual desensitization. You repeatedly expose yourself to situations related to prosperity in a safe environment, like visualization, until the emotional response decreases. It's like exposure therapy. Over time, your brain learns that prosperity isn't dangerous, isn't wrong, isn't shameful. The insula calms down and you can receive abundance without internal sabotage. So let's recap everything from a neuroscience perspective. Your brain isn't fixed. It changes all the time based on how you use it. The RAS filters your reality based on your beliefs. Neuroplasticity means you can create new neural connections of prosperity. Visualization activates the same brain areas as real action. The prefrontal cortex needs to be active for good decision-making. Dopamine can be used to reinforce positive financial behaviors. Mirror neurons copy patterns from people around you. Brain waves can be trained for more creative states. Memories can be reconsolidated. Priming directs your focus. And the insula can be desensitized to end guilt about money. This isn't self-help. It's applied neuroscience. Each one of these techniques has scientific studies proving effectiveness. You can literally hack your brain for prosperity. Now, my challenge for you based on neuroscience. Pick 3 neuroscientific practices and do them every day for 60 days. Why 60? Because studies show it takes 60 to 90 days to create permanent structural changes in the brain. Could be 10-minute meditation, emotional visualization, and morning priming. Or could be directed attention to abundance, celebrating micro wins, and exposure to prosperity content. You choose, but do it consistently for 60 days. Then come back here and comment what changed, not just in your external financial life, but in your internal experience with money. I want data, because I love neuroscience. If you want more science-based content about prosperity, I've got a complete playlist here on the channel about psychology of money, biology of abundance, brain chemistry of motivation. All science-based, no guesswork. Drop that, like if you loved learning the neuroscience behind prosperity. Subscribe to the channel to keep getting content that actually works, because it's backed by science. Turn on notifications so you don't miss any new discoveries. And share this with that nerdy person who loves science and also wants to prosper. Comment below which neuroscience concept impressed you the most. Reticular activating system? Neuroplasticity? Mirror neurons? I want to know which one made it click for you. Remember, your brain is the most complex machine in the known universe, and you have control over how to program it. Don't leave that power in the hands of chance or circumstances. Take the reins of your neurology and build the brain of a prosperous person. Prosperity isn't luck. It's not destiny. It's not privilege. It's well-applied neurology. It's you using those 86 billion neurons in your favor, not against you. Thank you so much for staying here with me on this neuroscientific journey. I'll see you in the next video. And may your neurology be reprogrammed for unlimited abundance.